Wow, Kay, isn't the newest episode of the Quarter and Hourly Object Show so fun? Yeah, and I can't believe our recommended character TikTok logo got so many saves. Yeah. Guys, I know this episode's late because I was watching the newest episode too, but it's time to see who wins. So yeah, we received 142 votes. One of you got 21, and one of you got 121. Oh my gosh, please tell me it's me. It's you. Wait, really? No. Yeah, I won. I was just kidding again. A wins. Yay! Now we gotta bring all the contestants back. A, you won, A? Yeah, good job. Thanks, Z. Oh, you actually won, other female. Yeah.